Hey beauties! Today we're doing a Get Ready With Me with the NYX Marshmallow Primer and the sponge and a new foundation that I bought by Max Factor. It is the Miracle Foundation and all these products are blurring. I just love a good blur, don't you? So I'm putting on the Marshmallow Primer now. It's very cute and it smells good. And there's the Max Factor Miracle Foundation. It's a cream to liquid. My color is golden. And I am quite impressed by it. Oh, it's Miracle Touch. I did order a darker color, but this one really seems perfect. But I just like to have two to play with. And I do love the sponge. You see how it's going under my eye?
I actually like this for under the eyes because you just go on the flat part and it fits. Okay, that's my right side done now, so you can see the difference. It's a blurring primer, hydrating primer. It smells great. It smells like marshmallows. And usually, if I put a primer on, I don't like the way the foundation sits. But I think this one is doing okay so far. Sometimes they make it too dry, and then your foundation comes out too dry. Yeah, I have no problem with that. That was the Marshmallow Sponge, the Marshmallow Primer, and Max Factor Miracle Touch Foundation. All blurring products. Okay, now let's put on some color. And I always go from back here and then forward. Back here and then forward. This is a great dupe for the LANCOME, forget the name of it, but this is discontinued too. But this can be found like on eBay. That's where I found it. So you really do the 3 and the E. The E and the 3. And then I do the nose. I put a little bit of gloss, and this is really funny. Okay, so I bought this for $6.50. It is Elizabeth Arden's Flawless Finish Foundation. It's not my color, as you can see, but it's good for a bronze contour, or today I have it on as a lipstick, and it doesn't transfer. I bought it because I'm going to take out that and put in the insert of the color that I want. And I got them on eBay. I'll put the link down below. The eBay one I bought was honey beige. 2 of them came for $10. So when I get that, I will see if this is easy enough to replace the inside. It comes with the sponge, and it's got the holes for ventilation. And you can see it is a very dark color. It's called Toffee, number 72. And this one is Golden 075 by Max Factor. And that's my color. So this, I just tried it. I tried it for lipstick, and then I also tried it for eyeshadow. And then I tried it a little bit here. It was just a little hard to rub in, but I did like it for eyeshadow. Look at that. I could just put that right there. And I'm going to put on this little contour, this contour set. It's by Kiss Beauty. It's 6-color contour. And it's so cute. If I could find it for you, I will. It's got a little mirror, and it's got 6 colors. Beautiful. I just put a little bit here, and oh, and I just put this, the yellow, right here. It's very pigmented. Quite pigmented. Okay. Now I'm going to take my sponge and just tap. Just roll it. Oh, that's good. I really like this sponge. I'm not kidding. I like it. I have been using brushes a lot, and I do like the sponge. Everything went on quickly, easily. Blend, blend. You can blend with one of these little triangle TATI dupes, which I'll put links down below. These are like $2. Or you could blend with your brush. I just want to soften it because I look at it later and I go, oh, I should have blended. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I'll take this. It's perfect. I don't need powder. I don't need concealer. I don't need anything after I put this foundation on. And it worked really good with this and this combo. These three, inexpensive, really work, blurs out everything. I'm telling you, I am so blurred out, I'm surprised you can see me. Can you see me? Ooh, I am blurred, baby. Okay. All right, I forgot to do the marshmallow. So let's do something with them. Let's put on bronzer with the marshmallow. I'm going to take my bronzer powder and I'm going to dip it in here. And there's the marshmallow. Now, I told you I was going to do marshmallow too, and I forgot. So I'm going to do it with the contour. I forgot to contour. So here we go. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. And if you want blush, take the other side. Look at that. There's the blush. I'm thinking maybe I should blot it, but wow, this works. Hey, listen, if you're stuck in a bind, this is a marshmallow. Okay. The birds come attacking my face today. Now listen, if you're stuck, if you're out and all you have is a marshmallow, it works. I have on one of my homemade necklaces that you will never find charms like this anywhere. I find these products, I turn them into charms. See, I glue on bells. I glue on bells with wiggly rings. I glue on bells that are solid. This way the light hits it. It's just beautiful. It's the cutest thing. Everybody stops me for this. Everybody. And I have them all on my website if you ever want to look. Let me show you what I got from Shein. I bought these last week and they came here already. And nothing here was more than $4, okay? Nothing. So I'm going to show you the parade of hats. It's easier to wear a hat than not because my hair blows like a witch in the wind, and I hate messy hair. So this is one hat, and I love the distressed. I love the distress part. And the back has all this room for ponytails. Don't forget to smile. I don't like that. And then I've got Life is Fabulous. And I'm Busy. And another I'm Busy. And Keep the Faith. And this came with some rings hanging, but I don't like the rings. I took it off. I'm going to put something else there. I don't know what. I'm not sure. But this is really cute. And then this one, which is kind of flat on me. This was the one I was going to return. It's so cute, but it's kind of flat. So all those I got for like 30-something dollars. They were $4. I think they're down to $3.75 now. So I'll put a link to Shein. See, I like to just cover up when I go out. Like, you can't see me. See, I don't have my bangs anymore. My bangs were my security blanket. My bangs were always over my eyeballs, like those little puppies. So I go out like this. Nobody could tell who I am. But, you know, it's so funny. So then I put this on, and you would say, nobody can recognize you. I mean, a different hat, a different mask every day. I don't wear the same ones. I sell masks, so I wear different ones. And I collect hats. So. And yet, this one cashier in one of the stores I go in knows it's me the minute I walk in, no matter what hat or what mask I'm wearing. And I always tell him, how do you know it's me? He's a cute young kid. It's me. And he just laughs. So anyway, keep the faith. Don't forget to smile. And I love positive affirmations. And life is fantastic. Okay? Positive affirmations. Okay, so that's my foundation and my marshmallow primer, my marshmallow sponge review. Have a nice day. Have a great week. Stay safe. And, oh, if you haven't subscribed, there's a red banner, a little bell. I would love it. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Oh, I forgot to put it on with my marshmallow. And I should make this white so it really looks like a